part 4. I'm trying to. No, I think. No, this is part 5, I think. I don't know. I don't care. So, y'all, I'm literally gonna try to do this eyebrow. This is the trick. Is that the eyebrow is harder because the paint sticks into your skin. So, I'm gonna show you because I'm almost at my house. Idea. So, I can't buckle to the bravo. I'm like, what is this? Oh, shit. You don't have any more spoons left? Nemo, what the heck is this? Mom, what is this? I want it. Can I have it? I don't know what this is, kid. Sorry, my mom. I've had pneumonia before. Like and subscribe. And it sucks. It's Daniel, that this right here is Rosa. Myself back. We can pause my YouTube video, but I'm paper. I'm gonna use a straw.